we go. All right, we're recording more inverse trig ratio practice. Now, these first ones are probably the ones that are going to look the most confusing. They're just sine b equals this number, 0.4448, 0.044, well, let's try that again. Sine b equals 0.4848. Got it that time. Okay, so what we're going to do with these is we are going to go through and find their answer in our calculator. So these are basically saying that the sine of some angle is 0.4848. So that's when we take out our calculator. My students who are coming in from Mr. Huan's room, make sure you grab one of these and you should be set if you don't already have one. So I'm going to make sure my calculator is cleared. And we're just going to put trig inverse sine 0.4848. That gives me approximately 29 degrees. It says measure to the nearest degree, so I'm always going to round up to a whole number. Does that make sense? All I'm doing is plugging in those numbers for inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tan, whatever. So let's try one more together, and then I'm going to have you guys try a couple of these on your own. So I'm going to hit my trig button. Everybody's phone should be down, and you should be writing along with me, and you should have a calculator out in front of you. I'm going to hit inverse cosine, 0.5878, hit enter, and I get 53.99, so I'm going to round up to 54 degrees. How's everybody feeling about this? Let me give you just a minute to try 2 and 4 on your own. Elijah, if you wanted to go while I'm doing this, that's fine. All right, guys, what'd you get for number 2? 42 degrees, good. What about for number 4? You got 87 degrees? Yeah, that's what I get too. Okay. And now we're just going to do 5 through 12. Same kind of thing. We're going to label the sides just like we've been doing. My angle is the question mark. This is my adjacent. This is my opposite. So which trig function do you think I'm going to use? Tan, right? Because it's SOHCAHTOA. I often write it at the top of my paper. Okay, so I'm going to use tan, inverse tan, and I'm going to put opposite on top because it comes first in my little saying, over adjacent, and then I'm going to stick this in my calculator. And I'm going to get, let's round to the nearest degree, guys. What do we get? 35 degrees. Questions about any of this? Let's try another one. 29 is what to my angle? 14 is the? So which trig function am I going to use? Tan. So I use the inverse tan. What am I going to put on top? 14 over 29. And I put that in my handy dandy calculator. And what do I get? 26 degrees. Are you guys okay with rounding just to the nearest degree? Is this pretty straightforward? Okay, I'm going to give you the rest of class to do 7 through 12. I do want you to check in with me before you're done. We will be going over the quizzes in just a second, but I just want to make sure you're feeling comfortable with this. So please, 7 through 8, you need to check in with me before the end of the hour.